Will AI replace human? That is a big question in 2023. Of course, the tech space has been going very fast and there is nothing anyone anywhere can do about it. Yes, it is going very fast and it is not stopping anywhere. It is going just as it is going, and it's going to go in a faster space. Recently, I began learning coding, and then I was confused about a particular thing in Python. Then I just enter ChatGPT and I asked, can you write a code for me to do blah blah blah? Boom, the code came out. I run it and it worked perfectly. Wow. Now, what do you think? Are these tech products going to replace human, or you think they are just there to help us get faster results? So let's get started. Number one, I read a report in 2017 that talked about how AI and the rest of the thing will be replacing human in the next few years. Of course, you have heard it, and of course, you know that Google just laid off thousands of people from their organization. Mind blowing something, Abi? Yes, it is, and of course it is going to be more in the nearest future. But here is something I will tell you: AI is not here to replace anybody. Rather, it is here to create new job and allow people do new things in new ways. By the time farmers can use AI to do their farming job, of course you know that many of the laborers will not be there to work. But let me tell you another thing: human will always be in demand, except those who refuse to do what they are supposed to do, except those who refuse to do personal development job that they are supposed to do on themselves. Of course, many people say if you want to get employed, get tech skill, yes, you have to get it, because it is very important for you at this time of the century. Because whether you are a marketer or whatever it is that you do, you need to have an idea of how things work when it comes to the tech space, because this thing is just here to make your work look very or go very fast. Yes, you are a content creator. Yes, let me tell you one thing that you don't know. That is why when people say AI is going to replace woman, I just laugh. Yes, AI has been since the days of John the Baptist. Yes, in case if you don't know, it has been in existence. What do you think you can do? If you are a content creator, instead of you wasting 2 hours in a day trying to create content for 2 customers at the same time, what you do is to go to ChatGPT, Snazzy.ai, Bounce.com, and all this platform, or Pepe type. Go to this platform, generate content, good headlines. If you're a copywriter, oh my god, you are in luck, because your work is going to be faster. Guess what? Nobody is going to sack you if you know your audience, because what? The CEO of a big company, Bill Gates, is not going to be using ChatGPT to post on social media. He always needs somebody to post on his Facebook or every other page that he is present. So he is not coming here to do the graphic design job. No, it cannot be, because he always needs somebody that would do that for him. The content editor, the video editor is not going to lose. No, it is just another way of hyping things. Many people do that. Of course, it is strategic from those companies to hype things so that people will be afraid and then get scared. My brother, my sister, nobody's going anywhere. Just know your audience, get tech skill, get basic coding skill, programming languages, know them, and know peace. Nobody's going anywhere. AI is not replace human being, but of course, take advantage of them and make your work easier. They are here to make our work easier, and of course, we have to use them. That is just it. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, because it helps me spread this message further. See you in my next video.